Hi kids, hi mommy. Today is the 16th of July. It's a Friday and I have a great big surprise for you today. Let me turn around the camera. And guess what? Ta-ta-da! Your kitchen is all ready. So here we go. The kitchen is complete now. And so as you can see, the range has been installed. These plastic covers are still fresh, they have to be taken out. They have installed the hood which was already there. Here you go. Check this out. Your new tap and the water filter and the grill. I've already drank some coffee. And here is what your backsplash looks like. So this is the backsplash. Let me show you from the side here. This is the backsplash. And I just started putting stuff away back from the living room into the kitchen. Then I decided, you know what, let me just take some pictures before I do that. And so here's the this countertop all done, cleaned up. The flooring, I just spent an hour probably scrubbing and cleaning up the flooring. So here's the floor all done. And here is your last open countertop. Oh, let me show you something. So before I started putting stuff away, these are what the handles look like. And if you open them, I started putting away the glasses, but this is what the handles look like. Oh, by the way, so let me close this. I think the handles look very nice. The fridge is back here. More handles and drawers. So this is what the drawers would look like. This is one set of drawers and the second set of drawers, and here is the dishwasher. As you can see, this is all done. We are complete. Jalasio is gone. No more Jalasio for the next few months. Anyways, I hope you guys liked the update. We'll talk to you later. Bye bye kids. Bye bye mommy. Bye.